Hi everyone, welcome to this quick live that I'm putting together for you guys so that I can explain why you must have a mortgage payment protection insurance plan if you currently are a homeowner or thinking about being one. Okay, so my name is Cynthia Pedone. I am a life insurance specialist and I'm here to help you understand what the benefits are of having a mortgage payment protection insurance plan. So let's get right into it. First of all, congratulations on being a homeowner. Okay? That in and of itself is a great accomplishment because you know what? I know and I understand how hard it could be to be able to get all your finances in order to get approved for a home loan, right? You gotta what? Work hard to save for a down payment. You have to have enough money in reserves in your bank account to also cover closing costs as well, right? You have to have enough reserves in order to even meet the guidelines, right? Your credit has to be good as well. You have to have a pretty good income source, has to be a stable income source. So there's a lot of factors. And you got to find the house that fits your needs, right? And that you're not overpaying because, this market has been really crazy. But all those things aside, you now are a homeowner. Congratulations. And you're probably thinking, well, you know what? I'm done. I don't have to worry about anything anymore. I can just relax. But here's the question I want to ask you. In the event that you get seriously ill with some kind of critical illness like a heart attack, stroke, cancer diagnosis, or other severe critical illness, how are you going to make your mortgage payment? How? Are you going to ask family and friends for a loan? We all know how that could end up ruining a lot of relationships when, borrowing money from friends or family, right? What are you going to do? Are you going to tap into your credit cards and rack up debt to continue paying your monthly bills and meeting your financial obligations? Oh, wait. You know what someone else told me recently? Don't worry, Cynthia. I'm good. I have Aflac. So if I get really sick, they'll pay me $100 or so. Okay. How much is your mortgage payment? $100, barely even filling up my gas tank for a week. Is that going to cut it? No, it isn't. You know what some other people have told me? They said, well, Cynthia, if I get seriously ill, my health insurance will take care of me. Oh, really? It will? So does your health insurance pay you a monthly payment, a monthly check that's going to cover all of your income? So if you make $5,000 a month, is your health insurance going to give you $5,000 a month? Or is it even going to give you $1,000 a month? No. Health insurance doesn't give you money while you're down and out, suffering a serious illness. No. Health insurance is just a way for you to pay less out of pocket should you have a serious illness and end up in the hospital or need surgery or have to go visit a doctor or specialist, right? That money goes to pay the doctors and the hospitals. It doesn't pay you a monthly income to replace your income that you've lost during the time that you're suffering a critical illness and trying to recuperate. So, where are you going to get the money? Oh, Cynthia, wait. I will get it from my 401k. Okay, great. So you're cool with giving up 38% of your money in federal, state taxes and a 10% penalty because chances are if you're tapping into your 401k early, before 59 and a half, you're faced with what? A 10% early withdrawal penalty. Maybe your 401k administrator will provide an economic hardship, which you will have to fill out paperwork and have to prove, right? So, where does that leave us? It leaves us with a mortgage protection, payment protection insurance policy. And no, this is not the monthly mortgage insurance that you're probably paying inside your monthly mortgage payment to the lender or bank. No, all that is an insurance premium that you are paying to protect the lender or bank in case you default. So what has happened? I'm not sure if you know this, but over 60% of homeowners who suffered a critical illness had to file bankruptcy and have foreclosed on their home because they could not continue making their mortgage payments for during the time that they were ill. So, where does that leave us? It leaves us with this mortgage payment protection insurance. So, how would you like to be able to protect your whole entire mortgage balance should you get seriously ill and need funds every month to take care of your financial monthly obligations? And if you pass away during the time that you still have a mortgage, your family can stay in the home without having to worry about being out in the street or looking for shelter with family and friends. And that's why, if you are a homeowner, you must have a mortgage payment protection insurance policy. Okay? And what that is a type of life insurance policy that provides all of these benefits. So, what are the benefits? Okay? Here we go. So, let's say that you have a mortgage balance of $500,000. Okay? We already established that health insurance is not going to pay your monthly mortgage payment. It's not going to give you money every month to pay your bills. We know that. You don't want to tap into your retirement funds early because you're going to be losing money from doing that, right? You don't want to beg friends and family either for that, but you could have this policy. So what happens? Typically, this is your mortgage balance, for example, and you got a 30-year fixed loan, right? And let's say your monthly mortgage payment is $3,000 a month, right? Of course, that does not include all your other bills, okay? But we can design the plan to be able to do an income replacement. So if you get sick with a critical illness, a chronic illness, or a terminal illness, you will be able to receive money from your policy to keep up with all your financial obligations. We will design it in such a way to match your monthly income, okay? Now, you got a mortgage, you're $500,000, you got a 30-year fixed, okay? You pay $3,000 a month, okay? With this policy, you can be able to get covered for the whole time that you have the mortgage, okay? And you would pay maybe like $100, maybe $150 a month, okay? Depending on your age and your health and how much coverage you need. It's just a roundabout figure, okay? And should you, throughout the course of your mortgage time frame, those 30 years, should you get a heart attack, stroke, cancer diagnosis, or any of the other 17 illnesses that are covered, you will have a payment coming back to you from the policy every month to help you make those mortgage payments and cover any other expenses that you may have, so that you don't have to worry. You can really just focus on getting better, and so you can get back to work, okay? Now, if you were to pass away throughout the time frame that you have the policy, then your mortgage will be paid off, and depending on how much more coverage you end up getting, that money will go to your family income tax free, and so they'll be able to continue their life after you're no longer here. So, what I encourage you guys to do is click the link in the description here. It's a link to my calendar where you would see your schedule, look at my open availability, and schedule a no-cost consultation to go over what your needs are, how much your mortgage balance and your debts are, and the type of best plan that will be suitable for you to accomplish your goals so that your family can stay in the home come hell or high water. I look forward to connecting with you, and have a blessed day.